Hi everyone, today I will show you how to enable Steam's built-in FPS counter so you can monitor your performance in real time in any game. So let's dive right into it. First, open the Steam application. Here, on the top left corner, click on the Steam menu. Then, go to the settings window. In this window, look for the in-game tab. Here, you can see various options which can be used in the Steam Overlay app. Here, look for the in-game FPS counter option. Next to it should be a drop-down menu. Now based on your preference, choose top left, top right, or bottom left. These are the positions where the FPS counter can appear while you are playing. And that's it. Now next time when you boot up a game, there should be a FPS counter on the selected position. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.